At home with family.
Good morning, dear. Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, Mom. I slept very well and feel happy today.
That is nice to hear. Are you ready for breakfast?
Yes, I am very hungry this morning.
I made eggs, toast, and some hot milk for you.
Thank you, Mom. The breakfast smells really good.
Please sit down and eat before the food gets cold.
Okay, I will wash my hands first.
That is a very good habit to have.
Mom, do I have school today or is it a holiday?
You have school today, so please do not be late.
I understand. I will get ready after breakfast.
Did you finish your homework last night?
Yes, I finished my math and English homework.
Great job. I am proud of your hard work.
Thank you, Mom. I tried my best to do well.
After school, we can visit Grandma together.
Really, I want to see Grandma very much.
She made cookies for you yesterday evening.
That sounds wonderful. I love her cookies so much.
Please remember to take your school bag today.
Oh, thank you for reminding me about my bag.
Your water bottle is also on the kitchen table.
I almost forgot it because I was thinking about school.
It is okay. That is why I remind you every morning.
Mom, can you help me find my blue socks?
I think they are near your bedroom window.
Let me check there quickly before breakfast ends.
Did you find them in your room?
Yes, I found them under my chair.
Good. Please keep your room clean next time.
I will clean my room after school today.
That will make the room look much better.
Mom, can we watch a movie tonight together?
Yes, we can watch a family movie after dinner.
Great. I will finish all my homework first.
That is very responsible of you.
I want to make you happy and proud.
You already make me proud every single day.
Hearing that makes me feel very happy inside.
Now please finish your breakfast before the bus arrives.
Okay, I will eat a little faster now.
Do not eat too fast because it is not healthy.
Sorry, Mom. I will eat more slowly.
Thank you for listening to my advice.
I always try to listen to you carefully.
The school bus should arrive in 5 minutes.
Then I will put on my shoes now.
Have a wonderful day at school, my dear.
Thank you, Mom. Have a wonderful day too.
Talking about plans.
Hi, Mary. Do you have any plans for this weekend?
Hello, John. Yes, I have a few plans already.
That sounds interesting. What are you going to do?
I am going to visit my cousin on Saturday morning.
Nice. Where does your cousin live?
She lives in a small town near the beach.
That sounds like a relaxing place to visit.
Yes, I always enjoy spending time there.
Are you going there by car or by train?
I am going there by train with my sister.
That will be a fun trip for both of you.
I think so too. What about your weekend plans?
I want to clean my apartment on Saturday morning.
That sounds like a busy start to the weekend.
Yes, my apartment is very messy right now.
Maybe listening to music will make cleaning more fun.
That is a great idea. I love listening to music.
After cleaning, are you planning to do anything else?
Yes, I am going to watch a movie with friends.
Oh, which movie are you going to watch together?
We want to watch a new action movie downtown.
That sounds exciting. I enjoy action movies very much.
Maybe you can join us if you are free.
Thank you, but I will return home late that day.
No problem. We can meet another time instead.
Yes, maybe we can have lunch next weekend.
That sounds good to me. I know a nice cafe nearby.
Great, I would love to try a new cafe.
On Sunday, I also need to buy some groceries.
I need to do that too because my fridge is empty.
Shopping on Sunday is usually very crowded here.
Yes, many people shop before the new week starts.
Maybe I will go early in the morning.
That is smart because the store will be quieter then.
Are you planning to cook anything special this weekend?
Yes, I want to make chicken soup for my family.
That sounds delicious and healthy at the same time.
Thank you. My mother taught me how to make it.
I enjoy cooking, but I am still learning new recipes.
Cooking becomes easier when you practice more often.
You are right. I should cook at home more.
It can also save money and help you eat healthier.
That is true. Eating outside is sometimes expensive.
Yes, especially at popular restaurants in the city.
I hope we both have a relaxing weekend.
I hope so too, because this week was very busy.
Please enjoy your trip to the beach town.
Thank you, John. Enjoy your movie with your friends.
I will. Talk to you again on Monday.
Okay, see you on Monday. Have a great weekend.
Booking an appointment.
Hello, I would like to book an appointment today.
Hello, of course. What kind of appointment do you need?
I need an appointment with the dentist, please.
Sure. Is this your first visit to our clinic?
Yes, this is my first time here.
Welcome. Can I have your full name, please?
My full name is Daniel Brown.
Thank you, Mr. Brown. What problem are you having?
I have pain in one of my teeth.
I am sorry to hear that. How long have you had the pain?
I started feeling the pain 2 days ago.
I understand. Let me check the schedule for you.
Thank you. I hope there's a free time today.
We have an opening at 3 o'clock this afternoon.
That time sounds perfect for me.
Great. Can you arrive 15 minutes before the appointment?
Yes, I can come early without any problem.
Wonderful. Please bring your ID card with you.
Okay, I will bring it with me today.
Do you have any medical allergies that we should know about?
No, I do not have any allergies.
That is good to know. Can I also have your phone number?
Sure, my phone number is 0911223344.
Thank you. I have written down your information now.
Will the dentist check my teeth today?
Yes, the dentist will examine your teeth carefully.
That makes me feel much better already.
We will do our best to help you feel comfortable.
Thank you for being so kind and helpful.
You are very welcome. We are happy to assist you.
How long will the appointment take today?
It should take about 30 to 40 minutes.
That is fine because I am free this afternoon.
Excellent. Do you know where our clinic is located?
Not exactly. Can you please give me the address?
Yes, we are next to the City Library on Green Street.
Oh, I know that area very well.
Great. It should be easy for you to find us.
Is there parking near the clinic building?
Yes, there is a parking area behind the clinic.
That is very convenient because I will drive there.
Please drive safely on your way to the clinic.
I will. Thank you for your concern.
Before we finish, do you have any other questions?
No, I think everything is clear now.
Perfect. We will see you at 3 o'clock today.
Thank you again for your help and information.
It is our pleasure to help our patients.
Have a nice day and see you later.
Have a nice day too. Goodbye for now.